God bless you all in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Second coming is very, very near. Jesus Christ is coming very soon, and we all should be ready. Some of the signs that were given are coming to fulfillment right in front of our eyes on a daily basis. Nobody knows the day and the time of Jesus' second coming. However, Jesus has given us a lot of signs in Matthew 24, Mark 13, and throughout the Gospels, throughout the letters of Paul as well, and Book of Revelation. Some of these signs are emergence of Antichrist, the sacrificial system restarting, and the emergence of Levitical priesthood reestablished, which obviously has ended since 2000 years now. So 70 AD was the time when Rome destroyed Jerusalem and the temple in it, and the sacrifices were put to a stop. Also, we'll see wars and rumors of wars, people invading people, nations invading nations, earthquakes, pestilences, viruses or plagues, famines, food shortages, one world system, economic changes, etc. And we are seeing that next year we are moving into global reset, as World Economic Forum has advised, and they'll be resetting every single economy on the face of this earth, based on the debts and based on the currency value. That means every country, their debts will be wiped off, but they'll have to comply in, and that's going to give the control of the world economic system to very few, and they will do whatever they want. Secondly, sacrificial system, as I mentioned. Right now, we see a power change in Israel. Benjamin Netanyahu has come back to power, but he is aligning with the parties that are in full agreement of having the Temple Mount rebuilt and having an altar dedicated there. And there is a rumor that this December, around Hanukkah, or Feast of Dedication, they will dedicate the temple, and they'll try to restart the sacrificial system this year or maybe coming next year. Secondly, Prince Charles is getting coronated as a king on 2nd of May, which is 42 months or 1,260 days before Yom Kippur 2026. So that's very, very significant, because the Antichrist will be given a time of 42 months. So from the time of his coronation till Yom Kippur in 2026 is going to be exactly 42 months, 3.5 years. So keep an eye on that. So let's keep praying for all these signs that are coming right in front of us. Economic changes are coming. The world is going through a lot of problems, but Jesus is coming very soon. Amen.